If you're choosing between ProtonMail and Zoho Mail, this isn't just email provider versus email provider. It's privacy for security versus business productivity. So which email service is actually more secure? Let's break it down. ProtonMail is built around privacy and encryption. It uses end-to-end encryption for Proton emails, stores messages with zero-access encryption, and is designed so that even Proton cannot easily read your mailbox contents. For privacy-conscious users, journalists, and security-focused professionals, it's one of the strongest email services available. But here's the catch. Some advanced features and larger storage plans require a paid subscription. Zoho Mail takes a different approach. It focuses on business productivity, custom domains, team collaboration, and integration with Zoho's suite of business tools. It offers strong security features like encryption in transit, encryption at rest, two-factor authentication, and enterprise administration controls. The downside is that it isn't built around end-to-end encrypted email by default like ProtonMail. So, which mail service is more secure? Choose ProtonMail if you want maximum privacy, end-to-end encryption, and strong protection against mailbox access. Choose Zoho Mail if you want business-grade email with strong security controls and collaboration tools. Bottom line, for pure security and privacy, ProtonMail is the clear winner. Its encryption model is specifically designed to keep email contents private, even from provider itself. Zoho Mail is still a secure platform and an excellent business email solution. But if your main question is which service offers stronger privacy and mailbox protection, ProtonMail comes out ahead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.